question to ask.
What's that?
Don't you think you should get off there now? You've been on there for 45 minutes.
45 minutes, have I?
Yes?
No, I'm sweating so much.
I think so. Could have something to do with it.
There's actually work late though, isn't it? I'm working hard to get fit for this 5-mile run thing in next month.
Yeah.
4 weeks away, so this is why I've been on it for so long, I need to get fit.
You do, but I think that's enough for
I'm
now.
fit, you see. So I just keep... So I'm sweating my head off, look. Work rate, this is, work rate. Do you like that? They're good though.
Oh, we've got a naked body.
What time is it now? Is it half 12?
It is actually half 12. It's time you come off.
So put on this about 11 o'clock, okay?
Yes, you're
So
overdoing
half 12,
it.
So we're on here for an hour and a half.
Yes.
This is why I'm so stuck up. I took my top off because I'm so damn hot in here.
Well, you must be getting fitter.
An hour
That's
and a
all I
half.
can see.
This is it. This is. I feel so fit. Do you know that?
Well, that's what you should be getting then.
Yeah. Tired now.
Have you had enough?
I think so, an hour and a half. That is good going, that is. Oh, I need a t-shirt. Oh. Give me a t-shirt. Give me a t-shirt. T-shirt. Got a t-shirt.
Cold floor.
Hold on. Yeah, I'm back. I am back. Did you enjoy that little an hour and a half session with me?
Yeah.
Huh?
I did, yes.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I had a good one on there.
It was so good. I'm fit for the 5-mile run now. That's it, I'm done.
That's all you need.
That's it. Morning guys. Good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. How you guys doing today? It's a lovely damn day today. It is Sunday guys today. It's we're off for a picnic. Me and Beth and her mate are going to Bradgate Park, which is a nice massive park where people go picnics and family days out and stuff. But we thought we'd go there for a picnic today. And the weather today is literally guys, the sky is so damn blue I can't see any damn clouds anywhere. So that's why we are going today. That's what it is off today. Let's get the heating on. I thought I'll start the vlog right now while I'm in the car because I need to get a sat nav up. I'll just pick her up from there. Her mate's coming. Her best making pasta now for us. Went to Asda last night to get a few like bits and bobs. We've got drinks, muffins, we got cakes, we got crisps, we got drink. Like I said that, but yeah. If you guys like the picnic vlogs, if you guys like the summery vlogs where we go for picnics all the time, this is the vlog for you, okay? Me and Beth are gonna have a nice relax today. Have a nice damn picnic. Cause I've not been for a picnic, guys, for about a year now. In the UK, it's quite rare to get nice weather. So today I thought, you know what, today we might as well go for a picnic. It's a nice day, so why not? I'm just getting the sat nav up now, guys. If you guys are excited for today's vlog, please smash the like button, subscribe if you're new. Also, guys, press the bell next to the subscribe button because now YouTube has changed everything. You won't be notified whenever I upload a video unless you click the bell. So please click the bell, then the subscribe button, and then the like button. So and therefore you will know when I've uploaded a video. If you've not seen this challenge, guys, tasting the weirdest, disgustingest ice lollipop flavours, it should be out now. So if you've not checked it out yet, guys, check it out because I thought it was such a good damn video yesterday. We filmed it yesterday and it went down a success. It was so funny. It was just disgusting. Tasting weird flavours, guys, like baked beans, garlic in the lollipop, Marmite, guys, Marmite, Skittles, Jelly Babies, all sorts, guys. So if you've not checked it out yet, go and check it out. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna get going. I'll see you when I'm out there. A bit late now, and about 12 we're going. It's 12 o'clock now, so see you when I'm there. Should be a nice picnic vlog today, guys. So enjoy it, guys. Hope you have a great day, whatever you're doing. Hope you had a great weekend. I hope this vlog motivates you. If you see this vlog, it's going out on Monday, and I hope this vlog motivates you for the whole week. Then I know it's bank holiday tomorrow, so not many people are working tomorrow. I'm not working, so I might film tomorrow as well. So I hope this vlog motivates you guys to start off your week nice and easy. So let's go, guys, let's go. So right, we made it. Got the bag somewhere. Beth somewhere down there. Got a big hill to walk up. Went the long way around, so it took about 4 minutes to get here. Right.
You feel it in your glutes.
So,
You can feel it in your glutes.
you can feel it, yeah. A nice little area right now. There's Old John, which is the main focus of this park.
I'm the main focus.
Yes, you're the main focus, babe. Yes, you are.
I'm filming.
Yes. We're going to find somewhere to sit. Not too far into the
We're sitting here.
bird poo, reindeer poo. Because we have to be careful of reindeer poo around here, because we've got loads. Yeah. Poo right there. So that's a nice little blanket, isn't it? That's a nice little blanket. Dolphins! There's dolphins! Woohoo! Yeah.
Shoes off the mat, please.
I'm gonna sit here. Ooh. When you come on picnics, you expect sandwiches, don't you? But we've got pasta instead. We're the unhealthy option, we are.
Health there? Are you going to tell them what's in it? A whole jar of pesto.
Got chicken in there and pesto. Pesto pasta. And now we've got some bloody yogurts.
Anything.
Yogurts!
Can we have the napkins, please, Becky?
Just squirted myself. Right guys, so just up the top of the Old John, Best down at the bottom because she's it's quite a hard walk, you know, she's got small legs, so she stayed downstairs. I'll come to the top of here. This is where my granddad got buried. My granddad got buried 2 years ago because I passed away obviously. It's my granddad's birthday tomorrow, so what I'm going to do is show you where we scattered his ashes and say happy birthday to him. Come up here and celebrate because obviously he's not here with us right now, you see, because it's been 2 years since he passed away. And so right, if I come back up here to celebrate his birthday, say happy birthday to him. So what I'm going to do now is show you where we buried his ashes. But yeah, this is where my grandma and granddad hung out when they met. So I thought, you know, I'm going to say hello to them. So yeah, obviously because I miss them as well, you see. So yeah, so just had dinner guys. We had pasta, we had yogurts, we had muffins. I've got some apples in the bag which I've not ate yet, but I have them in the car on the way back. It's been quite a nice picnic guys, it's been quite a nice picnic. Best just watching us down the bottom of the hill now. And then go back to the car for a bit because it's nice. I might go for a little walk around the park because it's a massive park this is. So we might as well. So anyway, what we'll do now, I'll show you where we scattered them. Let's go. So right guys, that's where Big John is, Old John. It was right here somewhere. So, happy birthday Grandad, hope you had a great day, whatever you've been doing. Yeah, This is 81 tomorrow. 81. So this is where it was, right here. Bye, old John. So yes, let's go down, guys. Let's go down. Back to the car then. Woo. While we walked up there, Beth is sat down here. Oh, on her phone. My back. Oh, my back. Oh, I just went down that ditch. Hello. Go and sleep. Bye. Did you hear that thing? It's nice, weren't it? Nice. That's so cool. Bloody hell, so cool. You can see it, yeah. So I've just come to a plane spotting spot.
So, an airport.
An airport, yes, an airport. I was just, I thought we'd come here to have some planes set off. I love how big the planes are, so I thought we'd come here. Really cool, isn't it? Do you want to go on one? Should we go on there? People train spot, we're plane spot. Bloody hell.
Oh, I thought that one was taking.
Has it gone? Oh.
It stopped moving. I thought it was moving.
It's right down there, the runway, but you can't see it. But one's going to take off any minute now, you can see.
And there's one landing as well at the back.
One landing as well? Oh yeah, you can see it, can't you? There it is, one landing.
You ready?
Here it is, coming up, bloody hell.
It just stops at the end like, hey.
You can actually see it as well, so cool. There it is, woo! Like a kid, man.
Look how big it is.
Loud, didn't they?
Enjoy your holiday. Bye. Oh, bye. This is essentially Britain's Area 51, isn't it?
So right guys, I've just took Beth home. We're all tired. But there's an ice cream van. There's an ice cream van. Wait for me. Wait for me. Please. Please. Oh, I can't bother to go and fetch him, guys. Anyway, I'm about to go home now, guys. I wanted an ice cream, but it's just too much effort. Yes, I took Beth home. We're all tired. It's 7:30 right now. About to go home, guys. Watch a bit of Cobra Kai, which is a series about Karate Kid. If you watch 1984 series, it's a remake. Same characters from 1984, just obviously 34 years after. So we're about to watch that. Just sort of relax, guys, on Fortnite, guys. So today's been a very successful day. Let's recap what we did. Went for a picnic. Went on a treadmill for an hour and a half. You believe that, guys? So thank you. You believe it? Thank you. Yes, I went on a treadmill for an hour and a half. Went to the picnic. Went to plane spotting. Seeing. Today, guys, has been a very successful day today. Very productive day. If you enjoyed today's vlog, guys, please smash the like button. About to end the vlog right now, guys, because obviously I'm going to watch a bit of telly, that Cobra Kai series. Play a bit of Fortnite, and it's going to be like bedtime then. I'm not working tomorrow, so what I'll do tomorrow is film again, because I think we're going to the world's biggest Leicester car boot tomorrow, guys. I want to film that obviously because obviously it's biggest Leicester car boot sale. So obviously clickbait, guys. Anyway, guys, I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed today's vlog, the picnic and the plane seeing, please smash the like button, guys. Subscribe if you're new. Anyway, guys, stay a bit positive. Keep your head held high. Keep pushing forward. I'm so tired right now. It's so bright. Thank you for watching today, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Good. Oh, good. So bright. Good night, guys.